Okay, write down 0.4, 15% and 7/20ths in ascending order. Now remember, ascending order means to go up, okay? So you start at the bottom, work your way up. So start at the smallest there, work you up to the greatest. You've got to show your work in here, okay? If you just have a guess, and you might get it right, you'll only get 1 mark, okay? At most, okay? But, you know, if you get it wrong, and you've shown work in, you're likely to pick up some marks. So please show your work in here. Decimal, percentage, fraction, right? What we need to do to show working is we need to get it into one common format, okay? So in this case, I'm going to change them all to percentages, all right? Now I've already got that as a percentage, which is ideal. 0.4, I'm going to change as a percentage. And remember, when you change a decimal to a percentage, you need to times by 100, okay? And when you times by 100, just remember what happens, okay? The digits, okay, stay the same, they just move to the left. And because there's 2 zeros in 100, they move 2 places to the left. So the 4 won't move to the unit, it'll actually move to the tens there, right? 2 steps. So if the 4 moves there to the tens, you will have a 0 there, so you get 40%. Okay, so that's what 0.4 is. So 0.4. Okay, and remember, some people think of 0.4 as 0.40, which is exactly the same, isn't it? Nothing wrong with putting a 0 at the end, and you know then that's 40%. Okay, now that one's already percent. 7/20ths, okay, let's write that out. And remember then, when you've got a fraction, you can usually scale it up, or you can often scale it up, can't you? So we get it as a percentage, because if we can get this out of 100, that will give me my percent then, won't it? Okay, so essentially, 20, I can scale up to 100, can't I? Because 20 goes into 100. If you think about it, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5 times. So if I times by 5, of course then I get 100, but I've got to then times the top by 5 as well. 7 times 5, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So it's 35 out of 100. So that then will give me my percentages. But please remember, you need to write that then as a percentage. You need to actually write that down. If you don't, you won't get that mark. Okay? So you need to show them you've got it in a common format. 40% there, 35% there, and of course the other one is 15%. So we could see then which is the lowest. So the lowest is 15%. The next one then, the one in the middle is 35%, which sort of corresponded to 7/20. And then the largest one then was 40%, which corresponded to 0.4.